All right, so here's how I'm making 200 bucks working from home today. So I've got a customer, they do little covers and whatnot. They have a CPAP machine company in some way, shape, or form. So they sent me the CPAP machine. I put the covers on. This stand is actually its own little product as well. So I'm making two 30-second videos showing some of the benefits and features. And I'm just like staging up my bedroom, right? I pretend I have CPAP. I just got done laying around in the bed, right? Put the thing on, hang it on the hanger, take it off, show how life is all convenient. All I'm really using is, I could have used my phone here, okay? But I do have a ring light here to fill in some of the light. I do have my nicer camera up here so I can get some wide shots, some tight shots, and camera here, my phone as a second camera from a different angle just in case. I can like turn it sideways or I can zoom in. I can get two shots for the price of one using my phone. This is a Samsung S23 Ultra. As long as you have a newer phone that does 4K, like you'll get super good quality out of it. So that's me working from home. That's me doing a product unboxing business or videos. I'm not really even unboxing. I'm just making a little commercial, right? Very simple, very easy. And these types of gigs happen more often than you would think. The only way to get them is to start putting yourself out there. You got questions? I got answers. You know what to do.